Scrub. He is scrubbing the toilet. Mop. This old man is mopping the floor. Hoover. He is hoovering the carpet. Vacuum. He is vacuuming the carpet. Sweep. This little girl is sweeping the floor. Wipe. He is wiping the table. Dust. The butler is dusting the chandelier. Wash. The children are helping their dad wash the car. Scour out. I had to scour out the pans. Rinse. She is rinsing the flour from her hands. Sluice. She is sluicing her hand with water. Swill out. Swill down. He swilled his face with clean water. Sponge down. He sponged down the coffee spills on the table. Rub. This man is rubbing his car. Clean. This man is cleaning the windows. Clean up. This man is cleaning up the beach. Tidy. I spent all morning cleaning and tidying.